Hi, everyone. It's Aruj from Impactor app. And today I'm really excited to share with you a feature that we've added to our ideation module in Impactor that not only helps you improve inclusion and engagement amongst your team and the people who you might be facilitating to come up with great ideas and to drive innovation in your organizations, but it will make your life so much easier to do things like affinity mapping and group common ideas and move that process along much faster. So let's dive into it because I'm really excited to share this with you. So let's start out by creating a new project and Impactor. I'm going to use a project inspired by a recent conversation I had on the impact of AI on the Canadian justice system, and so we'll give it a description, turn on the AI assistant, and we'll create. I'm sure each one of you has been in a workshop or team discussion where someone or the other said, well, I don't know what to add. I just don't know much about this topic. And so, in those situations, how can you engage people to participate and contribute something to the ideation so ultimately they will feel more ownership of whatever it is that we go to enable or to do in the project or initiative that we're working on. So when I'm working on projects nowadays with Impactor, I tell those people who are not very engaged to click on this button, Inspire Me on Impactor. And this is where the AI assistant kicks in and goes and reads a project description and provides an inspiration or idea to those people who might be stuck. So in this case, we were ideating around impact of AI on the Canadian justice system, and the AI assistant has come up with this inspiration that AI algorithms can be used to predict criminal activity and assist in fair sentencing by learning from historical data. I think that's a good idea. I could choose to accept or decline this idea, and I can modify it and however I want to before sharing it on the ideation board and Impactor and sharing it with my team. Now, at the same time, I may have other colleagues who might be ideating with me, and just at this time, they may contribute their own ideas. Now, you'll notice that I can only see the ideas that I share and not the others, and that's done on by intentionally to make sure that people feel safe and confident to share their ideas. So again, you can see that I can only see the idea that I've contributed. I can go and modify this, but I cannot modify other team members' ideas. Now, here's a really cool thing. Once you've got all the ideas on the board, we might want to group them or categorize the ideas by common elements, by common themes. And so Impactor makes it really easy whereby we can go and select the ideas that we want to group together. We click on group and we can write a statement that captures all of the ideas that are in this group or a category label and put it here, and we can group everything as that. Or to simplify and accelerate this process and avoid wordsmithing in a team meeting, we can simply click on this button that says generate. So here the AI goes and reads all of the statements and comes up with one unified statement that captures everyone's ideas in this group. We simply accept the idea and click confirm, and there we go. Here's our group with all of the individual contributions that people had made before we had grouped them as a single entity in Impactor, which can be expanded whenever we want to. You don't have to use the AI feature to group or come up with a shared statement, you can simply select the items that you want to group together and give it your own title or label. For example, we'll call this category one, and so we can group things that way in a customized way. So we have got category one here. We can relabel this to category two, and now we have our categories over here. When we're going to move over to prioritization, for that you might want to watch the next video. You will see how it makes it so much easier to group these ideas together and then move along the process to prioritize, to make decisions, and then build a roadmap that is aligned to those priorities down the road. I hope you found that brief demo helpful and that you're just as excited about how we're bringing AI into facilitation and group thinking and group collaboration as much as I am. So there's more to come. Stay tuned and let us know how you're using Impactor by sharing your stories and case studies. So we look forward to hearing from you.